Okay, so we've got some things that we really need to be aware of when using agricultural machinery. We've got a mower conditioner behind this tractor, and it's driven by what we call a power takeoff shaft. The power takeoff shaft comes out of the back of the tractor. That's this big long black thing here. And that's in a plastic cover. They're very dangerous. There's been many people hurt, seriously injured and killed by these machines. Plenty of places for entanglement. You can see here we've got a shaft that's spinning. That's at about 400 RPMs currently. That's idling. When we're working the machine, we have that spinning at around about 950 RPMs. So they're very dangerous. With these types of machines, you've got a lot of moving parts. And as a result, on this one we've got 8 discs that rotate with knives on them, and that's what's cutting the fodder. And you can see there, that's one of the discs with knives on it. It's got 2 knives, and as you can see, it's spinning very quickly. That's what's cutting the oats, and then they're being fed through rollers at the back, where they're being pricked. There's 8 of these discs, and then this disc and the next one inside spin opposingly, so they're feeding the material between each other. And similarly the next two. But yeah, very easy to get tangled up in that machine if you don't know what you're doing. There's a few obstacles in this job. You can see here we've got this branch laying down here. That has potential to cause serious damage to this machine if we don't pick it up. Ideally, the cocky should have picked this up when checking the paddock, but they haven't. So I'm going to do it now because I don't want to damage the machine. So in this machine you've got knives at the front, and then you've got 2 spinning rollers at the back. That's crimping the material as it goes through it, and it assists in the drying process. So a very dangerous piece of machinery. If you're not sure, don't know much about it, you should stay clear of it.